Hi there, my name's Michelle. I run a small business based in Australia. I was spending a lot of time and money trying to work out Google Ads and trying to set up the right type of ads for my business. I saw a couple of Devon's videos on YouTube, and after watching those I decided to sign up for his course. I was really glad I did. The course is laid out in a really clear way. The videos go through all different topics that aren't too lengthy. It's sort of cut into short segments, so you can really follow along, get more comfortable with Google Ads. Then I jumped on a coaching call, which I was really hesitant to do, but I'm really glad I did, because Devon straight away showed me that I was using the wrong type of Google Ads for my business, and he went through with me step by step and make sure we had it set up properly, and we just noticed results straight away. So it was the best thing I ever did. As well as the coaching calls, Devon set up a Facebook community page where you can ask any sort of question you need, and he's always uploading new content for us. So I would highly recommend Devon's course for anyone that wants to find out more about Google Ads and learn how to use it the best way for your business. And there's no silly questions. I think I've asked a lot of what I think are silly questions, but Devon is so kind and friendly and happy to answer everything. And you can tell it makes him happy when Google Ads are working for us. Yeah, so go for it, sign up. Thanks for watching.